you looking for a decorative building material that is both beautiful and practical? Wooden strapped wall panels are your ideal choice. Let's learn about its uniqueness now. It has excellent durability and stability, can effectively resist daily wear and tear, moisture and corrosion prevention, not easily deformed. Daily cleaning is very simple. Simply wipe gently with a soft cloth to remove dust. Make home life easier. Choose Kunuo wooden strapped wall panel. Bring new life to your space. In this era of pursuing individuality and quality, Kunuo is with you. Explore the infinite possibilities of home exploration.